Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, January 24th, 2025. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the altcoin of the week. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum quoted to USDC at Zondacrypto. Why we are looking at this chart, you might be wondering. Let me just briefly explain and do some analysis. So what do we have here is a daily time frame chart. Standard settings for the Japanese candlesticks. What do we see here is the trend line. There you go, here you are. And now it's a very important situation on this chart using only one trend line. You can see that from the highs of 4,104 we got the first support point, second support point, and today it looks like we might have a third one. You can lower it a little bit here. So now we have a touch here, and today's there is a touch. And a nice, very nice candle is being built up today. However, this is daily time frame chart. This candle has not been completed yet. We need to wait a few hours more. Now, the situation is important just because there's a potential for a breakout to the upside. Finally, there is a possibility of a breakout to the upside on the Ethereum. They tried to rally, but every time they tried to rally, they made a different approach from the bears, and the bears were selling it straight on every time we hit this trend line. Now that's the first thing. The second thing is the market is technical. The market is now technical. There is no FOMO, no FUD, no FUD, no FOMO, no local euphoria, no local panic, no local drama. This is purely technical market, and you can tell by the manner the market is behaving. It's behaving technically. It recognizes the level. It recognizes the technical analysis tools, which means it is a good opportunity to do technical analysis right now because it has a higher odds of saying something important, constructive on the current market situation, right? So let's just now place some lines on the chart to see what is going on. If there is a breakout above the trend line, most likely next target is 3,533, and that's the technical resistance, right? So let me just make it like that. If there is a breakout higher, obviously next target is 3,736. The key technical resistance is still 4,104. That's simple, as it is. There is no big deal about it. We all know it. So any breakout above the blue trend line might be considered bullish. However, beware of a fake breakouts, right? Now, on the other hand, with this setup, where is the technical support? It's obvious that this is somewhere here. This is a local low, and that's a technical support for us, 3,150. Now, this is the major technical support, one of the major technical supports, because they consist of a few lines and all of them make a demand zone, right? So that's a very simple something like this. We might include this one, but let's just leave it for now. We got very nice demand zone, tested first time, tested second time, third time, fourth time, and that's even fifth time, right? So at least 5 times tested, no breakout, big shadows here on the spin bars, big lower shadow, big lower shadow, big lower shadow. There is a buying the dip scheme operating here by the bulls, and it works very well for now. How long it will work, we will see. For now it works. Now the bulls are ready for a breakout. The breakout might be false, might be genuine breakout. We will see what will happen within the next few days, right? So one last thing I will add to this chart is the RSI indicator. So take a look at the momentum. Where is my indicator? Come on. Plot it, please. Plot it, my relative strength index. Thank you very much. Now, that's a very interesting situation here on the momentum. Let me just just this chart. There you go. What I want to show you is that the market is trying to break above the level of 50. As you can see, it's been trying to do it, then it went a little bit lower, now it's trying again. And if there is a room to the upside for the momentum, means that means the bulls might enter the market and push the prices higher. There is a place on this, the room on this chart for the bulls as well, but only if they break above this trend line. If they break it, first level of the resistance, second swing high, right? So they need to put more effort to get the result from the momentum, right? So they need big momentum, which is why they need big momentum, because there's obstacle, trend line, resistance, and so on. They need big momentum here to move higher. So please keep an eye on the current situation, on the momentum where they need to build up the momentum and break aggressively, strongly, which means if this breakout above the trend line is a true breakout, nice constructive breakout for the bulls, it will be fast, aggressive and dynamic, because there will be nice, strong, visible increase in momentum on this chart. Okay, otherwise false breakout and down we go yet again to test the demand zone if we break below 3,150. All right, so that's the current situation for the Ethereum. That's why it is altcoin of the week, because within 1 week we can be on a completely different levels than we are right now. Let market choose what we will do with the price of the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.